Okay, so the first one, yeah, Victoria. So amplitude is 5. The period, so it's 2 pi over b. Okay, what's the b value?
3. We don't know. Wait.
For B?
Okay, your b is, right, so if I write y equal a, oh yeah, it is locked. Hold on, I'll go. Theta, oh no, it's unlocked? Oh, okay.
Don't open it up. We'll figure it out.
We're so supportive. Okay, so look, if it's a cosine b theta, and you look at what you have there, your b is essentially the coefficient to theta. So what's my coefficient to theta? Huh? What'd you say?
I was asking,
Oh.
Is it 180? 360? 210? What did we say? 210.
What's the coefficient to theta?
3.
It could be a fraction.
1,
What half?
2 pi over 3.
What?
There's no pi there though.
2 over
2 theta over
3.
2 over 3.
I think.
Harley gave like.
I did good. I was there.
It's okay. She gave a bunch, but hey, good job, Harley. Okay, look, you guys, be super extra. If you see 5 cosine 2 theta 3, it's really, okay, y is equal, so this is what you see, right? But it's really 2 cosine 2/3 theta, right? So what's your b value? 2/3. Yeah, it's not just 2, it's not just 3, it's 2 over 3, it's 2/3. Okay, so now you're in a fraction, which is what, the third one of the last assignment? Okay, so look, so if I have 2 pi and the b value is 2/3, it's 2/3. Okay, but now you're back to the calculator if you want to use a calculator. Okay, you are not going to hit fraction, because the first one is going to make the numerator, if you guys remember from yesterday? No, 2 days ago. Where's my calculator? I had a sub and I don't even know where stuff is. Okay, you're not going to hit like what we went over. You're not going to hit fraction. Because if you guys look, my numerator is a fraction, my denominator is the integer. That's going to give you the wrong answer. So if I was to put 2 pi 2/3, it is not pi over 3. That's the wrong answer. What you have is fraction 2 pi. Your denominator is a fraction. That's your 2/3, which is, 2/3, and I get 3 pi. That's correct. Okay, now, so what do I get? 3 pi. All right, but if you want to do it by hand, which is why the videos are so long, because I keep talking. Okay, if you want to do this by hand, which you should, if you're in high school, im3, you should know this. Okay, what's the reciprocal of 2/3?
46. Wait,
3 over 2?
Thank you. 3 over 2, right? You just flip it, right? Someone said over here too. 3 over 2, right? So then 3 over 2, right? And so now you have this. Okay, what's 2 pi times 3? 6 pi. And what's 1 times 2? 2. And 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3 pi. You don't need the calculator. If you guys just write it, and you're in high school, im3, you should be able to clean that up. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. If you guys are typing incorrectly into the calculator, you're going to get a wrong answer. Yeah? Okay, so now you guys are at, what are we at? 3 pi. Okay, so now can you guys cut your 4s? So 0 to 3 pi. Remember, you're welcome to take them to degrees. You're welcome to convert it to degrees. That's what the first and the second video I just keep talking about. Okay, here though, what's my second marking? What's that going to be?
3 pi over 2. Or just pi.
And then what's this one going to be? Do the same. What you did, do it again.
3 pi over 3.
Huh?
3 pi over 3.
That's not what you did there. How did you get the 3 pi over 2?
I just
What did you do to 3 pi?
half.
Okay, so do that again.
Oh, 3 pi over 4.
Very good. So, okay. So, yeah.
Oh yeah. How would you get the middle?
Huh?
How would you get the
All right. So, you guys listening? All right. Look, from here to here is the length of every section. So from 0 to 3 pi over 4, that's 3 pi over 4, right? So your numerator is 3 pi, right? So if you were to go another 3 pi over 4, this is really, where do I write it where I can, okay, I'll put up above. 6 pi over 4. Because 6 pi over 4, because what's 3 plus 3 pi? 6 pi over 4. Now go another 3 pi over 4, and what would that be? 9 pi over 4. And then if you were to go another 3 pi over 4 and add, what's that? 12 pi over 4. But look, if you reduce, 4 simplifies into 12 3 times. Here, 9 pi, oh, you don't have that one. 6 pi over 4 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, once you get the first quarter, you can easily get the other 3 if you just take what is the length between 0 to the first quarter is 3 pi over 4, add 3 pi over 4, but really you're just adding to the numerator. If it was 2 pi, you would be adding 2 pi to each numerator. Do I keep talking or I don't know? Are you guys okay? Yeah. Okay. Although, if you want to go to convert to degrees, okay, so we went radians here. If you want to convert to degrees, 3 pi times 180 pi gives me 540. So if you guys were to cut 540, right? So if you're at 0 to 540 degrees, well, what's half of 540? 270, thank you. I'm like, I don't know. What's half of 270?
135.
And then what's 270 plus 135? 3.
415.
Oh, yeah. Yeah?
Or just 405.
405? Oh, yeah, 405. Okay, and then afterwards, if you're like, yeah, that's much faster, I prefer this, you could then take your 135 and now take it back to radians, and there's my 3 pi over 4. Oh, you can't see. See my 3 pi over 4? There's my 3 pi over 4. Go to 270. Don't do that. 270. And that gives me 3 pi over 2. There's my 3 pi over 2. 405. 405. There's my 9 pi over 4. 9 pi over 4. You figure out what you like. Okay. Now you have to go another cycle.
Cat? She's back?
You're okay then? Yeah. Can I shut it off? Yeah. Okay. It'll come back up, you guys. So let me just save it.